Once I needed some shaped opacity on a model I sculpted in Nomad. The application has the ability to attach different texture maps, and I think I found a pretty easy way to make one of those maps using the built-in polygonal painting. Okay, now go to the Miscellaneous tab and press Unwrap. I don't like how this automatic UV looks, but it doesn't matter. Now it's a good idea to save your project to a new save in case something goes wrong after the next step. It's more convenient for me to paint the opacity map on the new layer. I fill the entire layer with solid black. Select the paintbrush. Choose white. Assign alpha if necessary, and paint over the model where it should remain opaque. I go to the Miscellaneous tab again, the Bake Texture section. They required a resolution and tab from itself. This action created 3 textures. The one in the color slot will be used as an opacity map. Unfortunately, in my version, it's not possible to save only the map, so I have to save the entire asset. This works best via the OBJ format. Make sure the texture checkbox is active and save it to a convenient location. Baking destroys the painted layers. Even if you delete all the baked maps, the layers that had paint on them will remain white. This is the reason why we made a save. Time to go back to the history, to the root, where the painting remained in place, but the UV unwrapping has already been done. All that's left is to go to the Texture tab and put the texture that was previously in the color slot into the opacity slot. And this texture is located where you saved the asset. Hooray! Now you have the transparency you needed.